Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Avin, one of NEFX. We are now exploring the DanSkiMan levels, multiplayer maps, starting with Crossroads of Hell 2 version 1.0. We'll see if we encounter future versions of it. Let's see what this is like. Okay. Looks like a fairly simple circular arena type map. Doesn't seem to be a lot of supplies, which of course means the bots have way more than I do at all times. It's lagging for me right now. I see a bunch of clips, but I don't see where the weapons are. Are they like hidden somewhere? And I guess they're in the rooms on all four sides upstairs, some higher level. Can hardly get to shit in time. Looks like the strategy for now is to simply avoid getting killed, use up all the ammo on each of these weapons, and then run on to the next quadrant. Alright, 2 and 1. Uh-oh. See if there are any secret doors around here. Now that I've basically used up all my options, except I guess to go down here and get some ammo. But there are shotguns around here, and I don't know where the shotguns are. I don't think they're in any of the quadrants. Might be some weird secret. It'd be funny, you know. Ammo for a weapon right out there in the open, but the weapon itself is a fucking secret. Because yeah, I think this is all there is. Or it does say 1.0, so for all I know, I just didn't get around to putting the shotguns in. But you know, that wouldn't make sense because the weapons have to be there in order for at least this version of Bot Match to have boss of that weapon in. Alright, doing a pretty good job. Got 8 points, but that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will explore more DanSkiMan levels. Or at least one. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.